A very good morning, class 6th. Today we will continue with our exercise 13.4. In this exercise, we will study about the figures with the multiple line of symmetry. Right? In this, we will study about the figures with the multiple line of symmetry. So, there are so many figures which have multiple line of symmetry, means n numbers of line of symmetry. Before this, we have discussed about two line of symmetry, right? Horizontal line of symmetry, vertical line of symmetry. But here, in this exercise, we will study about of multiple line of symmetry, means the line of symmetry more than 2, right? More than 2. So you have seen one example, that is the tires of your car. You can say wheel of the car, wheel of motorcycle, wheel of cycle, right? See, before some times ago, the wheel of the cycles are like with these types of, one will be this, right? Like with these types of wires are there in the cycle, whose center is same. This one is the center for all. With the help of scale you can draw. So see, these all lines are representing as the line of symmetry. These all are the lines of symmetry. So how many lines are these? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? So these wheels are also the example of. Second example, you can take the example of chandeliers. Example of chandeliers which we are used to decorate our home. In the chandeliers, what is the use of symmetry? They are using the concept of symmetry to ensure that even distribution of light within a confined area, right? So see, symmetry का use जो है, it is used everywhere. Firstly, they are used in wheel of the vehicles, right? Second, chandeliers, which we use, you are saying that झूमर, right? जो lightning वाले झूमर होते हैं बेटा, we will use to decorate our homes. So the concept of symmetry is used in them also, right? After that, see, this is the square. Square, all sides are equal, right? So in this is also the line of symmetry. This one also, like this one also, this one also, right? See, this is by mistakenly done, right? This line is passing from the, you can take it as the center. So see, all lines divide the square into equal parts, right? So these are called the lines of symmetry. First of all, how many lines are there? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember this point, in square there are 4 lines of symmetry. How many? 4 lines of symmetry. And by this wheel, see, wheels are always in the shape of circle, right? And in the chapter of circle, I told you that diameter is the type of line which divides the circle into 2 equal parts, right? Diameter is a type of a line which divides the circle into 2 equal parts. So there we have studied one more thing, that is, in a circle there are n number of diameter. How many? N numbers of diameter. राइट. सो सेम उसी कंसेप्ट में बचे, सेम कंसेप्ट में इन द सर्कल देयर आर n नंबर ऑफ, n नंबर, यहाँ पे n यू कैन टेक इट इनफाइनाइट, infinite number of lines of symmetry, right? Infinite lines of symmetry. Clear? See, 2 we have done. That first one, in the square how many? 4 line of symmetry. In circle there are n number of line of symmetry, infinite, you can't count, right? Infinite means uncountable. After that, next topic is the number of line of symmetry in the regular polygon. So देखो, regular polygon line of symmetry is equal to number of sides, is equal to number of sides. Number of sides in the polygon, number of line of symmetry. As you have seen here, this is the square we have discussed earlier. There are 4 lines of symmetry, right? So see, 4 side and 4 line of symmetry. So clear by this? In any regular polygon, the number of line of symmetry is equal to the number of its side. Clear? In a regular polygon, the number of line of symmetry is equal to the number of side it has. See, in pentagon, how many? 5 line of symmetry. Number of sides? 5. Next is, a circle has infinite number of line of symmetry. Next one, shape or figures may have horizontal or vertical, both horizontal and vertical, infinite or no line of symmetry, right? Figure, shapes और figures में क्या होता है बच्चे? Either there is horizontal, vertical or both type, or infinite like circle, and no line of symmetry can be. They may also have titled lines of symmetry, right? After that, there are 2 examples, that is scalene triangle has no line of symmetry, because scalene triangle में क्या होता है बच्चे? Every side is different. We have studied about the types of triangle. So in that, scalene triangle has all sides different from each other. So none of its sides like this. Triangle is like this, scalene triangle. How can you divide it? Can I divide it? This is the line of symmetry. Is it line of symmetry? No. Because scalene triangle is a triangle which has all sides different, right? So scalene triangle have no line of symmetry, and same with the parallelogram. Same with parallelogram. If anyone asks you, give any 2 examples that has no line of symmetry, then the best example are scalene triangle and parallelogram. They both are not have any line of symmetry. Clear? Now come to your exercise K 13.4 K1. First question is filling the blanks. First one is filling the blanks. In this, the first question A is, the number of line of symmetry in a square is, how many lines of symmetry in a square we have done? 4. So what you will write here? 4. B part, The number of lines of a symmetry in a circle is, so as I told you, the line of a symmetry in circle is diameter, and in a circle there is infinite number of diameter. So same, infinite number of lines of symmetry in a circle, right? Next one, C part, is the number of line of a symmetry in a regular heptagon. So in the C part it is given that heptagon. So bache, as I told you, in the regular polygon the number of line of symmetry is equal to the number of sides in a polygon, right? So heptagon have how many sides? 7. So how many lines of symmetry are there? 7 lines of symmetry, right? Any regular polygon, the number of line of symmetry is equal to the number of side it has, right? Now the K2 question is, answer the following questions and give reason for your answer. So in this question I will just tell the answer and reason you will write in your own words. I will explain that. First one is, how many line of symmetry does an equilateral triangle have? So beta, what is equilateral triangle? Whose all sides are equal? So it has 3 lines of symmetry, as we have studied that in regular polygon the number of line of symmetry is equal to the number of its side it has. So equilateral triangle has 3 sides, so that's why its line of symmetry in this is 3, right? After that, come to B part, is the diameter of a circle its line of symmetry. So this also we have discussed, yes, and reason for that is because diameter is also like symmetry, like line of symmetry, divides the circle into 2 equal parts. डायमीटर भी क्या करता है आपका सर्कल को 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करता है, सेम दैट line of symmetry do. Clear? Now you can write the reason yourself in your own word. In the first one, A part you will write regular polygon, number of line of symmetry is equal to number of side. In the B part you will write that the diameter divides the circle into 2 parts. That's why we will take diameter equals to lines of symmetry, right? Now K3, which of the given letters have more than one line of symmetry, right? So in K3 what we have to do, we have to find in the given alphabets that which alphabet have more than one line of symmetry. So see students, here the alphabets are, first alphabet is A. So if I draw the line vertically in this is line of symmetry because this is divided it into 2 equal parts, right? But after this, if I draw the horizontal line of symmetry, the shape will be this one and this one, we have discussed earlier also. So A has only one line of symmetry. Why I cross it? Because in the question they are asking we have to choose one alphabet which has more than one line of symmetry. Second alphabet is here B. So only by seeing you can tell B also has only one line of symmetry, but that is horizontal. If vertically I draw here, then see, this part is different and this part is different. So this one also has only one line of symmetry, right? Now come to C. C also has only horizontal line of symmetry like this. If I draw vertical line, then this part is different and this part is different, so this is also no. Now the next and the last alphabet, that is O. So see, O is also like a circle, right? It is this also equal parts, this one also, this one also, right? So there are an infinite number of. So which one? This one. O letter have more than one line of symmetry. Clear? Easily you can check which one has line of symmetry. Now the K4, that is the number of line of symmetry in a regular decagon. Regular decagon. So I told you regular polygon equals to the number of side. In decagon, how many sides? Decagon equals to 10 sides. Right? This I write once again, that pentagon. Up to 4 we called it square, rectangle or quadrilateral. After that, for 5 we use pentagon, for 6 hexagon, for 7 septagon, for 8 octagon, for 7 we use heptagon, for 8 octagon, for 9 nonagon, and for 10 decagon. So regular decagon has 10 line of symmetry. Clear this part? Now K5 is the dotted line a line of symmetry in the figure? So figure is like this. And the line of symmetry is drawn here like this. So is it really the line of symmetry? You can see the difference. This side is different and this side is different. So you will write no. Dotted line is not the line of symmetry. Right? Line of symmetry. Now the next one is K6. That is, this is a type of design which we used right here in this figure. Draw all the lines of the symmetry for the given figure. So first of all, you will draw with the help of scale. This one, same design, horizontal. This is also line of symmetry. After that, this one and all this. This you will do with the help of scale. Clear? All these are the lines of symmetry in the given figure. After that, one more shape, K7. That is like this. So in this shape, the question is, draw the lines of symmetry for the given figure below. So in this, mark one center and like this. This is the line of symmetry which joins this. Then you will join with this. When you drawn with the help of scale, you will draw it very easily and neatly. Very easily and neatly. Right? Here, see. But in this you have to draw with the pencil. After this, the case 8 is, which of the given figure have more than 2 lines of symmetry? So in this, more than 2 lines of symmetry. So firstly, we will check by drawing the figure. So in this you can check here also in your book that, see, this is a type of, you can take it as a quadrilateral, and in a quadrilateral 1 and 2, only 2 lines of symmetry is here. In this figure also only 2 lines of symmetry. Here this is the type of this. How many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is octagon, and in a regular polygon, number of side line of symmetry is equals to number of side. So how many sides are there? There is 8 lines of symmetry like this, right? In the next, it is also this type of shape which has only 2 lines of symmetry. So our answer is C part. Clear, students? This exercise is very easy. You have to just check the lines of symmetry. After this, come to Q9. That is, complete the table by drawing down the number of lines of symmetry in the figure. So see, the shapes are like this. First shape is of heptagon. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So first of all, in the heptagon, how many lines of symmetry? You will write here heptagon, and number of lines of symmetry are, you will write here 7 lines of symmetry, right? Second one is the shape of pentagon. So in pentagon again, how many? 5 sides. So 5 lines of symmetry, right? Next shape is given, that is of star shape. See here. In this also, how you will do it? Count the number of sides, right? How many sides are there? Then write the number of lines of symmetry. This you will do yourself. Next one, one triangle on square. Clear? So here also you will find the lines of symmetry yourself. Next one is K10, the last question of this exercise. Find the number of lines of symmetry for the given below. So here, if I draw vertical line of symmetry, then also it is not divided the figure in the same parts. When I draw the horizontal line of symmetry, then also it is not divided the figure in the same sides, right? So this figure has none number of lines of symmetry, means इस फिगर में आपका कोई लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री नहीं है. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज आवर एक्सरसाइज 13.4. आफ्टर दिस द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज reflection and symmetry. This topic we will discuss in the next lecture. For today, your work is do exercise 13.4 in your notebook, and if you have any problem, then you can comment and ask.